Hey drawing friends! Welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a slice of watermelon. Now let's get right on into drawing. To start this drawing off, I'm going to be using my ultra fine black Sharpie. I'm going to start by drawing a wide triangle. So I'm going to go up, come back down, and then come back in. So that is a triangle. It has 3 sides. Next, I'm going to be adding in the rind at the bottom here. So I'm going to go down, and I'm going to do the same line and come back up. Now, it's time to make this look more 3D. To make it 3D, we're going to add the side right here. To do this, it's really simple. All you have to do is draw a little line across, and that is how thick the piece will be. And do the same down here and on the last line. And now you want to try and make the line that you're going to draw from here to here parallel with that line. Now, parallel lines mean that the 2 lines go in the same direction, and they're completely straight. And if they kept going forever and ever, they would never touch. One wouldn't angle into the other. They would just keep going straight. And the distance between them would always stay the same. So we're going to try and make these 2 lines parallel as best as you can. Now time for a cute little detail is the seeds. Now you can do seeds the normal shape like that, but I'm going to be doing my seeds as little hearts. So I'm just going to do these all over my piece of watermelon. And you can do as many or as few as you want, and you can make them all different sorts of sizes. I'm just going to add a couple over here on the side. For our final last detail, it's time to add a little bit of design to the rind. To do this, I'm going to be drawing little curvy lines like that. I'm going to do these all over because usually the rind of a watermelon is 2 different shades of green, one in this little curvy line and the other outside. Now that is how you draw a slice of watermelon. Now it's time for coloring. To color this in, I'm going to be using 3 different colors. I'm going to be using a dark pink, a light green, and a dark green, and I'm using my Ohuhu markers for this. I'm going to be using the pink to do this whole top part of the watermelon, and then I'm going to be using the 2 different greens to alternate the colors for the rind. Now I will be speeding up my coloring, but you can always pause the video, do the coloring at your own pace, then press play once you're ready. Great! Now, if you would like to take your drawing to the next level, you can do a little bit of shading. So for this, I'm just going to darken the colors along this edge here and leave these colors the same. Making it dark here will give the illusion of a shadow, make it look more 3D. Now, once again, I will be speeding this up, but you can always pause the video, shade it yourself, and then press play once you're ready again. And that is how you draw, color, and shade a piece of watermelon. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos, make sure you press the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye!